How to delete email on Facebook without code. So first things first is open up your Facebook application and ensure that you're logged in into your account. Now at the top right portion of your screen, just simply tap on your current profile picture, scroll down and then go into settings and privacy and go to settings. From here, go to see more in account center. Scroll down once again and then under account settings, go to personal details. Now simply tap on contact info and then just simply choose what specific email address you would like to be removed. So say for example, we'll be choosing this one. Now upon choosing on that specific email address that you would like to be deleted, deletion option is actually located at the very bottom part of that option, which is delete email. But take note before doing this, you have to keep in mind that it actually reduces the safety and security of your account. But that is how you delete email on Facebook without code.